we dey Funkia, one time they call over Funkia, Shalawata for be precise. We are one of the biggest fishing hub in the country. Beside the Ministry of Fisheries and Marine Resources don't do so well. We come for camp, somebody they take way around for showing some of the work them where they don't do. Right now, Saturday, so within at the slaughterhouse, as soon as FPC, then they pilot can clean the fish them and waiting a call up. According to somebody tell me, this thing not be ever did before. Then from here now, we will bring in the man himself when the expert will go explain to you more.
Yeah, I'm Asante Jankul. I got it chairman de Funkia. I work under the Ministry of Fisheries and Marine Resources. This now the slaughterhouses where the Ministry of Fisheries make for the people that this warfare when a Shalawata community. This slaughterhouse not be ever then at this Shalawata. But when the new direction come, when the President retired Julius Madabio, we came to power and appoint the minister when Mrs. Honorable Emma Kowajalo, we see and see the people in Shalawata, they need this kind of facility for letting they slaughter them, fish them, for they clean them, fish them, and creep them, and do other things and towards them and fish them. So he decided for build this slaughterhouse for the people of Gorgich and Shalawata.
From the slaughterhouse, outside and can slaughter the fish then. Oh, now Mr. Tijan don't talk about clean them, only scale them. You know, will be moved go now the race platform. The race platform now the sideway force them. Now gun them in the lady fish them. Just but because they want forgive we standard fish, you know, clean thing and that make them build the race platform. And now this Mr. Tijan Colvin tell we about the race platform.
Now we don't come on at the slaughterhouse. Now we don't come at the race platform. The race platform meaning when the boats come on at sea, when they can land, now they can't turn the fish. And this place not be ever there before. For the past 30 years, not be ever get this kind of place in Shalawata. But the help of the Honorable Minister, when Mrs. Emma Kowajalo, she says this a fit to the people in Shabotown, especially Shalawata, where we say the people will make use of this place. Because the reason we make in build this race platform, for let left for they put fish in a ground. So I make in made this place here say for let the fish will get more hygiene and good quality. So fish will go to the international level. So I make in build this place here.